Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to return items on Shein. First of all, I'd like you to know that most items are returnable within 30 days of delivery. You've got a month from when your package arrives to start a return. Items must be unworn, unwashed, undamaged with original tags and hygiene stickers, if applicable, intact. Items like lingerie, bodysuit, jewelry, cosmetics, clearance items, and free gifts can't be returned. Be careful, they won't accept returns on promotional items. It is stated after your purchase. Now, launch the Shein app, which we have apparently done, and tap on the Me button, which is at the bottom right. And that's going to walk you right into this page. So once you get into this page, the next thing that you're going to do, so tap on My Others, which is the first thing that you find here. So just go ahead and click on View All, and that's going to take you here where you have your all others. So you should find all your orders here. Then once you're here, go ahead and tap Returns. So type Returns. Now, once you find your order, first off in the All Orders tab, find the delivered order and ensure that it is marked Received. Then once you find the delivered order and ensure that it is marked Received, tap the order. Then once you tap the order, tap Return Item. So don't go ahead and click on Returns. Returns of items have already been returned. So head over to Orders, ensure it is marked Received. Click on the order and it's going to take you to the order details page. Then tap Return Item. If grayed out, double check Received. All right, so select which items to return. Once you do that, go ahead and tap Next. Then pick a reason, like size too small, not as described, or defective. You may need to upload a photo for damaged items. Then tap Next to continue. So choose your return method, either standard, which is USPS or UPS drop-off or pickup, or QR code-based return, no printer needed. Then choose your refund method, either original payment, which may take 5 to 10 days, or Shein Wallet, which has faster credits. Then tap Submit. You will get either a return label to print, a QR code to screenshot or download, then save it. Take a screenshot or download immediately. Pack items in original packing, zip bag or box, affix the printed label or show your QR code at a carrier counter. Then for QR code, show it on your phone to be scanned. Keep your proof of drop-off or tracking number. Shein processes returns within 5 to 7 business days after receiving your package. Refunds to original payment method may take longer. Wallet refunds are quicker. So watch return and refund record in the app for status updates. If the return item button is missing or grayed out, make sure the order is marked Received. Then try selecting a different reason. Some options require photo first. If your QR or label didn't generate, use the app's chat or help button to request it manually. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.